You want to take it out? No? Click, clack, moo. Cows that type.
There you go, Haley.
I know. She's like me, mesmerized by McDonald's.
Ellie. Ellie. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that one of the books that go with it?
Let's see. How about this one? That one looks good.
This one?
Pull the string.
Pull the string. I made it easy for you this year.
Yeah.
Pull the long,
Last year, I died of
pull the long string.
Please. Want me to help you? There. Oh, I got it. Rip it open. Oh.
Wow, what'd you get?
Open, have Haley open the zipper.
Open the zipper,
Open
Haley.
the
Show
zipper
her.
up. See what it says inside the mouth.
Oh, it's open. What's it say?
It's a little
Merry
pocket.
Christmas!
It's a zipper. You can
So
open it.
cute.
That's a silly reindeer.
There you go. He zipped his mouth shut.
Did you zip his mouth shut?
Grandma wants one of those for Grandpa.
Yeah, duct tape's not working anymore. He can take it off.
Show mommy. Hold it up. Hold
Let
it
me
up.
see. Is that like Rudolph? So cute.
Black Rudolph.
There's another one in there.
Afro-American Rudolph.
That one's a funny one. Look at it. Who is that?
He's got something in his mouth too, doesn't he?
He has a zipper too.
Open the
I've never
mouth.
seen anything like that with the zippers.
Ask
so
Aunt Haley
cute.
what it says.
Oh, I love presents. Is that you?
Yeah. So what do you say?
You're welcome.